This time, let's do a waterproof test to see if it's really waterproof and whether the host can still be used after being soaked in water. Before testing, we first test whether the machine can operate normally. Okay, the use of the machine is normal. Now, let's start the waterproof test and see how the test results are. The current result is that the host can work normally after being soaked in water, and there is no problem with waterproofing. Note, it is normal for the screen to become insensitive to water on rainy days. The screen is a capacitive screen that returns to normal after drying.